The entire research report was generated by AI, and every citation in here is real. No made up, no hallucinated, real papers you can actually verify. Because here is the problem, AI makes up citations all the time. Some studies show over 50% of the references are completely fake. So I built an AI research agent that does not guess. It searches 200 million real papers. So let me show you. So I am in my Claude Code app in the code tab where I am going to type a prompt to do the research about how whether AI improves developer productivity or not. So that is the prompt that I'm just going to give, and this is without any MCP tool. It is simply I'm just going to ask Claude Code, or as we can ask to the ChatGPT. So no, this AI is doing a research on the internet. It is doing a web research, and it is finding the papers, and it will generate a report. The report, we can see that AI and developer productivity research report. It is giving it a summary, and it has founded some papers and all the data that was found on the Google. AI little bit struggle to find the more data, like the quality of the research, because it was based on the web research, not on the real papers database. Now I have just created a skill using Claude Code, and I'm using Consensus MCP tool. I have installed the Consensus in the Claude Code app, and you can see no, the search is not going on the web search. It is searching through the Consensus because it has a database of 200 million research papers, and it is no getting more papers, no refined research. And you can see here the research report is created, and it is a more strong, and it has some more data points. So let's open it. If we open this report, so I can look into it, we can ask the cloud and it can open the report, and then we can look into the report that is being searched via Consensus. So we use the Consensus here, and you can see how the research report is being outlined, like it is perfectly like how the research was before when we just simply used the AI model. But no, we have using integrated the Consensus as well, and we can see if we have to go and we can see the data directly onto the Consensus, and it also tells us what are the research gaps. Like the report is more robust if we just simply use AI models. So quick context on what is actually happening here. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is a standard that AI models talk to the external tools. Think of like USB for AI, plug into a tool and Claude can use it. No custom API, wrappers, no hacky integration, just we have to plug in and we have to go. So Consensus is an AI research engine built specifically for peer-reviewed academic research. It indexes over 200 million papers from databases like PubMed, Semantic Scholar, and others. When you search Consensus, you only get real published research. No blog posts, no Reddit threads, no hallucinated papers. So the problem we are going to solve is simple. You ask ChatGPT or Claude for research citations, and half of the time papers does not exist. The authors are wrong, and the DOIs leads nowhere, and the Consensus no fix because it only returns papers that actually exist in the academic databases. And no, Consensus has an MCP server, which means Claude can search it directly. This is what we are going to build with Claude and Consensus. And now let me set it up. Now let me show you that how we can set up Consensus in the Claude Code. It is very simple. What we have to do, we have to just go into the web browser. You have to go to the consensus.app in the browser, and you have to just simply do the sign up. And when we do the sign up, we have option to use via email, or you can just continue with the Google. And when you are done with the sign up, and after the sign up, what will happen, we will look into it, that how we can connect the consensus directly with the Claude app. And now you can see here, we are now logged in. We can do the research directly here on the interface provided by the consensus as well. But first of all, we are able to do the start 7-day free trial that I'm going to activate. And after activating, it is free. You can try for 7 days. And then after, I have to just go to the Claude app, and then you have to connect it. You have to go to the settings, and in the settings, you have to go to the connectors. And in the connectors part, you have to click browse connectors. When you browse the connectors, you have to search consensus. You have to just simply type the consensus, and this will come up. And you have to then click on the plus button, and then it will take to the browser. It will authenticate with the consensus, and then it will be connected with your Claude. So that is a simple way you can connect with the consensus. Now, if you can see, you can just click on configure button, and you can have option to set like read only tools, what kind of access permissions you want to give to the Claude when you do the search, you do the research. So how the Claude can be using the consensus. So now the consensus is ready. Now let's go into the session. Now I'm going to paste a prompt here that will do a research. So I'm going to build a research agent skill that takes a research topic, and then it will search this consensus MCP for relevant peer-reviewed papers. It analyzes abstracts and key findings. It will also identify the themes, patterns. Also, it will produce structured markdown report with the full citations. So let's watch what we have to do, because the Claude gave us an option to build a skill. So we are going to build a skill which will use consensus. When we are done with this skill, then we will start using this skill. Consider a skill an agent or someone that know what to do. So, and after the it is what it is doing. It is simply creating this skill. So when the skill will be created, then it will be able to, deliver like whatever the research questions we will ask, and it will start. So you can see the Claude app is now simply doing the skills creation. It can take only a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So when your skill will be ready, you will be able to see the report by the Claude that what the skill can do and what it is capable of. So still it is creating the skill. So here we can see the Claude has written the skill.md file. We can allow the session so it can write and store this skill informations into the folder or into our system. So the skill is created, and let me test it quickly. It is going to test, make sure MCP integration is working. Like the Claude itself is making sure that what the skill we created, it is working fine. I know you can see here the Claude has created this skill, and the skill is ready. The consensus MCP worked well. The skill is created, and it is a research agent skill. And what is the location? And it triggered when you ask like, what does the research say about any topic? So when you will ask any topic, and it will find peer-reviewed studies about that research, and also any request involving academic evidence gathering. And workflow is very simple. It will refine your topic into precise academic search queries that will go into the consensus and it will runs multiple queries, and it will bring and it will also analyze 8 to 15 papers, core findings and all this. So this is our prompt, like what does the research says about whether AI improved developers productivity, and it will find the peer reviewed studies and it will generate a research report. So what we have to do, we're just going to give this prompt to the Claude, as we have already integrated, install the consensus, and it will do the research and it will start the research from the consensus. So you can see here, it is communicating with the consensus, it is finding search academic research paper and all the queries that is going from Claude to the consensus database. It has a big database of 200 millions of papers, research papers. So it is searching from that database. It will, after doing the research, like it can take 1 to 2 minutes to do the research, like it will fetch the data from the consensus, and after fetching the data it can take some time, and then it will create a report based on the data the Claude got from the consensus. So we can see it has everything. Let me create the report because it has got the data from the consensus. No, the other part started. It is doing analysis of the data that got from a consensus, and then it will properly create or compile the report that can make sense, and we can easily read the report and we can go through the report. So report can take approximately 1 to 2 minutes, and when the report will be ready, we will be looking into it, like this kind of research that Claude did using consensus, and that report will be ready. So here we go, and our report is almost ready. So I am just, you can see here the report is completely ready, and what studies agree. It is just an overview. It is giving us an overview, like what studies agree or anything. So we can open the report because the report is being saved into your system. So we can ask to the Claude. It can help out you to open the report, and here we go. So the report we are going to open, and after it will open the report, we can go through the complete details what is available in the report. Yes, allow, so it can open the report. So here we go, the report is ready. The literature review, does AI improve developer productivity? It has executive summary, key themes, because when we build the skill, we ask these, like when you do research from consensus, how you have to create the report. So in all areas of disagreement, agreement, what is the gap, and all the references. That is a good point. Like all the citations, like it mentioned on all the links of those references, those papers that's coming from the Claude, it is now being displayed here. So that is the thing that you can verify. You can just click on the link what is available in the report, and you can read, and you can just go through, and you can verify, and that is coming from the real database. That is not coming from noise from a web research. So it is coming from an authentic resource. That is very important. So, and if you talk about the research gap, it is telling like long-term productivity effects, impact on complex real-world software engineering, like what gaps were found when it did the research on AI productivity for the developers. So this is how nicely the research was done. Now we have to move to the new topic that we can try to research something new as well using this skill that we created with consensus. So what does research say about health effects of intermittent fasting? So it is no searching, and no, it is also going to the consensus, and it will find out all the papers available in the consensus, and it will fetch the relevant data. Now it is working and it is doing the research. So here we can see consensus found 20 papers, the prompt we given. So on that topic, it has fetched almost 20 papers, and now it is reading those 20 papers. And after reading, it has have given a summary with the citations, and that summary, which is available in the cloud directly. So you can simply see like what is in the report, and you can read that report as well. So here is a new report that was created by Consensus. Weight loss, body composition, it has found some studies, and then also some diabetes specific findings. So all these findings and all the bottom lines, and this was being fetched through the consensus. That is how that the consensus is just helping in fetching the real data, not like noise. We like if we directly use ChatGPT or Claude without consensus, that what it will bring very low quality research, whatever the prompt we will give. So that is the point where consensus come to the place and helping to bring the nice research. So AI hallucination is not a minor issue. It is a real problem with real consequences. A study from Stanford found that AI generates fabricated citations about 30 to 60% of the time, depending on model and the task. Lawyers have been sanctioned for filing briefs with fake case citations from ChatGPT. Students are submitting papers with references that does not exist. This is what MCP enables. It is not about making AI smarter, it is about giving AI access to real world database sources. Consensus gave Claude access to 200 million real paper. This is difference between an AI that sounds confident and the AI that is actually right. And this is just one MCP server. You can plug into databases, APIs, file system. This same patterns works for any domain where you need verified and real world data. If you want to try consensus yourself, there is a link in the description. You can use it as a standalone search engine, or you can plug it into the cloud like I just showed you. Drop a comment and tell me what research topic you would run on this. I'm curious what you all would build. If you want more Claude Code agents built, I have already a playlist where I have AI hiring agent, AI voice agent, AI voice receptionist, and AI support agent, where you can also integrate WhatsApp, Telegram, and email configurations as well. All the links are available in the video description. Subscribe if you have not already. I put out one video every week. We build an AI real agents. Not theory, no news, just building. So I will see you in my next video.